Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode in our full stack web development course. In this episode, we will talk about the job of HTML and the meaning of HTML. Okay, let's start with the meaning of HTML. HTML is a markup language, hybrid markup language. Also, if you open Google, search for HTML, you'll get an here. I will zoom in it with you. Okay, here it says hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. Scripting means you need to make a website script, make it interactive. You can use Java or Python, but in this course we'll take Python. Okay, now what is the job of HTML? The website, like for example, let's say Facebook. Okay, Facebook is a website, and how it's made for HTML, and these are documents. Okay, and okay, for example, let's say that we opened our Visual Studio or the program that we have. Let's open, for example, Visual Studio. Okay, just a minute. Open folder. New folder. Python. Okay, let's say that we created for example plain text. Let's make a file for HTML. Okay, and here let's say that we wrote hello world. Okay, now you tested it. For example, I can make it go live. Oh, where is the go live? Here it is. Live server. It's here. I don't know, but I can open it with my browser immediately without the live server. So I can go to the desktop and go to Python and open. Okay, now here let's check it. It's as we wrote it. It's as we wrote it exactly, but you will find it's same, but the font is normally as we wrote it, normal font. How we make it, like for example, if you open for example Wikipedia. Let's for example open Wikipedia. Okay, so here for example the Wikipedia, for example, make this text bold. So here as you see here, it makes it bold. Here for example they made it italic. How did they do that? With CSS, and sometimes they can do it with HTML hypermark. That's why we said that the HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, now what's the job of HTML? The job of HTML views text and how to play with this text. For example, the font, the size, using the hypertext markup, using the markup. Okay, in the markup, what it can do? It can link to other resources. For example, if we open, for example, a website. For example, if you open a website, for example. Okay, for example, I embedded one of my videos into my, for example, this website. Okay, how did I do this? Now, my web page is linked. Yeah or no? Yeah, it's linked. Okay, how exactly? Because I embedded. It's linked now to YouTube. Because this video is viewed on YouTube, it's embedded. So now it's linked. Okay, now we talked the job of HTML, and see you in the next video.